Excited to invest in cryptocurrencies? Before that, you should be aware of the do's and don'ts while investing in crypto. So, in this video, we will discuss about it, which will be helpful for you before investment. Before going into this video, if you did not watch the previous videos about how the blockchain and cryptocurrencies and whether it is legal to invest in India or not, kindly check the links available in the description box. So now let's begin. Before investing in crypto market, you should be aware of the do's and don'ts in the market, as cryptocurrency is very risky due to its volatile in nature. There are 12 important mantras you always need to remember. First, we will discuss what should you plan before investing. There are 6 important factors you need to consider before investing. First is educate yourself about crypto before you invest. So, as per me, investing in cryptocurrency is the best way to learn about them. Before you purchase any digital asset, conduct thorough research on what you intend to buy. There is a proverb: don't invest in what you don't understand. It is essential to educate yourself about the blockchain and cryptocurrency work, as well as the difference between the most popular digital assets. That way, you will understand the current and potential future value of each coin and token you are considering buying. Now, second factor is only use reputable trading platforms. There are multiple ways to acquire digital assets. Once you know which asset you want to buy, then you must use an online exchange, or you can say apps available in Play Store or iStore, as it is always important to only transact on reputable and secure platforms. There are hundreds of Bitcoins and altcoin exchanges are available, but only a handful of them are regulated. Most exchanges do not provide much transparency as how well they are funded or how they handle their cybersecurity. Unfortunately, all these things have happened in the past, which makes a strong choice for only dealing on reputable trading platform. My recommendation to use only international exchanges like Binance, Gate.io and many more are there. Now let's discuss about the next factor, which is invest only as much as you can afford to lose. It is also important to note that when it comes to investing in digital assets like Bitcoin, you should never invest more than what you can afford to lose. Set limits on how much you invest in particular digital assets, and don't be tempted to trade with more money that you cannot afford to lose. Example, while Bitcoin is on the rise and many experts believe we will reach its previous higher sooner, but due to the market crashes, the value of Bitcoin was fell down deeper. The reality is that cryptocurrency coins is a volatile asset that you can easily lose 50% of its value in short period of time. Hence, experts agree that it is best to only commit a small percentage of one's overall investment portfolio to the digital asset. Here, I want to say personally to all that don't invest any money which you kept for emergency purpose like medical, fees, loans, etc. Now, the next factor is have a realistic expectation. Just because Bitcoin have performed extremely well in the past doesn't mean it will do so in the future, or all other cryptocurrency will perform in the same way. Don't expect huge profits overnight, and be prepared that the valuation may be down as well. So my suggestion is, if you are investing in any coin and consider that coin went for almost 100% profit, And if you are happy with the profit, just sell it completely or partially and take your investment along with some profit. But I observed in many cases people will think it will go higher and they won't sell. But as market is subject to volatile, the market may come down at any time, which leads to reduced coin value, so take wise decision. Next factor is have an investment goal. This means you should have a clear idea of why you want to invest in bitcoins or any other cryptos. Your objective should not be driven by FOMO. What is mean by FOMO? Fear of missing out or the hype of surrounding cryptocurrencies. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is not an instant money making tool. While investing in Bitcoin or any other altcoin, it is essential to have pre-decided and planned entry point. What is meant by that? The price at which it is bought. And exit point. Exit point means the price at which you want to sell it. This shields you from sudden market shocks. So next factor is automate your purchase. Just as with regular stocks and share, it can help to automate your crypto purchase to take advantages of cost averaging. This is where crypto investors tell the platforms to purchase a fixed amount of their preferred cryptocurrency when the purchases are at low rate, and in the same way investor can sell the cryptocurrency when the prices are at high rate. For example, consider a price of Bitcoin is 45 lakh and you are planning to purchase when Bitcoin price came down to 42 lakh. In this case, you can't monitor every second the price chart. So, you can execute a buy order like Bitcoin price reaches 42 lakh, then buy. So, the bot will check price chart every second and it will execute when the desired price reached. Similar way, you can use the bot to sell your coins. This is said to be limit order and this will help you to cost averaging the coin prices. So up to now we discuss what are the do's or what factors you need to consider before investing. Now let's discuss 6 important factors that you should not do while investing. First and foremost important thing is control your emotions. Fear and greed are two emotions that lead to impulsive decision while trading. If you want to avoid bad trades, you should control your emotions, especially fear and greed. Even the most professional traders feel greedy and fearful. Make a proper trading plan and stick to it no matter what is the situation in the market is. Next factor is don't let the volatility scares you. Bitcoin and digital assets are volatile investment. The price of Bitcoin can easily go up or down 10 to 20% in matter of days or in matter of hours also. So it is important to keep yourself cool as a crypto investor. Remember, this is not stock market where trading will happen only during weekdays between 9 am to 4 pm. Crypto experiences much bigger intraday prices swing as 24/7 for 365 days in a year trading will happen. So there will be huge volatility. If volatility is making you nervous, maybe you are better off not checking the value of your digital asset portfolio daily. Now, what is the next factor? It is don't leave your funds on exchanges. Exchange hacks are rarely possible. Unfortunately, market leader Binance has hacked one time. Hence, it is important to transfer your digital asset holding of exchanges and into your personal wallets as soon as you have executed your trades. If an exchange is hacked and your funds are affected, it can take weeks to get your funds, or in some case you will lose all your funds. Now next factor is be in it for the long term. Prices can rise and fall quite dramatically day to day, and new traders are often dubbed into panic selling when prices are low. Cryptocurrency aren't going to go away. So, leaving your money in the market for months or years could offer you the best rewards. There is a famous line in crypto market, just hodl. Here hodl means hold on for dear life, because I can say patience is the key for success. Now, next factor is diversify your portfolio. What is mean by diversify? Let's see. Diversification relates to distribution of your investment funds across different assets or sectors. For example, you could diversify your stocks holding by investing in different industries such as agriculture, technology, energy, and healthcare. Same kind of diversification need to be maintained in crypto market also. Spread your money out among different digital currencies. It doesn't pay you to have too much invested in one single cryptocurrency. For example, you could allocate your portfolio with 40% Bitcoins, 30% stable coins, 15% NFTs, and 50% altcoins. This balanced investment help you to reduce risk of losing your investment as crypto market are highly volatile. Now last factor you need to consider, don't try to buy the next Bitcoin. Finally, a very common mistake of new crypto investor is to try to find the next Bitcoin. There are several cryptocurrency projects that claim to be next Bitcoin to attract newcomers to buy. But understand, there is only one Bitcoin and can't be replaced by anything. So don't believe this and lose your money in investing in scam coins. Now here we comes to the bottom line. Many people are thinking it is easy to make money in crypto, but there is nothing easy about making money through trading at any kind of financial asset, whether stocks, shares, commodities like silver and gold, or cryptocurrency. Anyone who says different is probably trying to trick you into making crypto mistakes. As explained, consider all do's and don'ts before investing. That will help you to stay away from getting into trap and help you to make profit. With this, we are coming to the end of crypto series. If you have any doubts related to cryptocurrency, then do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all those. If you have any suggestions related to what topic we can discuss in the next video, do let us know in the comment section. We will try to explain you those topics in upcoming weeks. Thanks for watching.